A question recently asked by one of my clients is whether he can keep his car in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The answer is depends, but generally yes. So long as you're current on your car payment, the creditor will generally enter into a reaffirmation agreement with you and allow you to keep your car so long as you keep making the regular monthly payments and stay current on that vehicle. Should you have any questions about whether you would lose your car in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, please call my office at 801-432-8682.